Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. I'm going to use white for the base here. I'm just going to go ahead and flood this real quick. I do thank everybody for joining me for the video today. I appreciate you guys so much for all of your support to my channel here on YouTube. It means a lot to me. This is kind of my my way of being able to be creative again, and it means a lot to me. I really enjoy my painting and making some beautiful pieces. I'm not able to be as creative as I used to be since I'm not able to do hair anymore, and so this is my escape for that. So yeah, I do appreciate you guys so much. You just don't even realize. And all of the great, amazing comments, that they just mean so much to me. You guys are so kind. Your words are so, they just mean so much. Nice. It makes me just, makes my heart happy. It does. It does. All right, so I'm just going to torch this real quick. Get all the air bubbles out. And I am using Soho's Dioxazine Violet for my deep purple. And of course, I'm using Decoart's Metallic 24 Karat Gold. I am using Blick Fluorescent Magenta. Blick Fluorescent Violet. I'm using Decoart's Metallics Amethyst. And I'm using Arteza's Pearl Lilac. All right, so. Okay, everybody, I'm pretty happy. Sorry about the shadows over there. It's dark outside and I can't turn the big light off, but I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I'm loving the colors, the cells, the shimmer. It looks just beautiful. I'll bring it down here for a close-up. Look at those. Look at all that shimmer. The colors are just beautiful. Vibrant, amazing cells. And look at them. These right here are my favorite cells because look at how crazy they are. Sorry. They're just so funky. It's like cells in a cell. Plus shimmer. Look at all that shimmer. Ugh. So it had like the pearlescent, the Arteza, pearlescent, pearl lilac. Then I had the Decoart's metallic amethyst. And then I had, of course, 24 karat gold. And those are all the metallic colors that are in here. Look at that. So pretty. Amazing cells. Did I say there's some amazing shimmer? Beautiful, beautiful. I'm pretty excited about it. This is a, I think it's a 16 by 20 inch artist off canvas. I will put for sure the size of the canvas in the description as well. So I do thank everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're new, I hope you enjoyed it enough to like and subscribe and share and hit that notification bell and come back again. I appreciate y'all. If you're my returning subscriber, you know I love you guys so much. I appreciate all your support for my channel. It's growing every day. It's growing a little bit more and a little bit more, but it's growing, so that's the positive. And yeah, so I thank you guys so much. And I hope everybody has a good day, has a good evening, and keep being creative. Bye.